So, ang tanong ni Sis Infinity, Hi Miss, this means it is allowed to study LPN in Finland while being a caregiver, having a working visa? How did you do it po? Free tuition po ba? Ano po requirements ng school dyan? So, to answer the first question, yes sis, allowed tayo na mag-aral ng LPN or licensed practical nurse while having a full-time job here in Finland. Actually sis, to be honest, hindi ko alam na may ganito palang program yung Finland na kahit caregiver ako, pwede ako mag-proceed or pwede kong i-advance yung career ko to practical nurse. So, ang nangyari, hindi po kami ang naghanap ng school dito guys ha, just to be clear. Sila po mismo ang mag-a-arrange niyan para sa inyo. So, sila po ang nag-arrange nun para sa amin yung school namin, yung schedule, lahat-lahat. Nakipag-communicate sila sa POMO namin or sa boss namin tungkol sa studies. And yung schedule namin, ina-adjust din nila if ever may kailangan kaming gawin sa school. So, sila mismo talaga ang mag-encourage sa'yo na mag-proceed ka or mag-advance ka ng career mo dito. So, ito na nga, pagdating namin dito sa Finland, that was around August. And then, after 2 months, naka-receive na kami ng email na magsa-start na yung klase namin. Okay, so, dalawa yung klase namin guys. First is yung Finnish language and then yung practical nurse na course. So, hindi naman siya masyadong stressful guys when it comes to class schedule kasi twice a week lang yung meeting. So, online lang guys yung ano namin. May mga iba naman na face-to-face sila but in our case, online kami. Twice a week lang guys, Monday and Wednesday. So, 1 hour and 30 minutes lang every meeting. So, hindi siya masyadong matagal talaga. Yung Finnish language namin is every Monday. Then, yung practical nurse na course naman is every Wednesday. And then, natapos kami sa Finnish language, I think 4 to 6 months lang ata yun. Natapos na kami nun. And then, after nun, Monday and Wednesday pa rin yung schedule namin. Pero yung practical nurse na course, so wala na yung Finnish language. So practical nurse naman na course, guys, umabot kami ng 1 year and 4 months. Free tuition po ba? Yes sis, free tuition. Wala kang babayaran. So talagang masusulit mo yung tax mo dito, magagamit mo, or mapapakinabangan mo yung tax mo dito. Kasi nga, pwede kang mag-aral guys. Ang daming school dito na libre lang. So, talagang sulit na sulit. And then, sa requirements naman ng school, hindi ko na maalala guys kung hiningan ba kami ng requirements. Kasi, diretso na kami. So, wala akong maalala na requirements na hiningi ng school sa amin. So, yung ginawa nila is nag-email sila sa akin. Sinabihan kami na ganito, magsa-start na yung klase nyo this month. And then, matatapos siya this month. Ganun. So, binigyan lang kami ng mga logins namin para sa Moodle. So, hindi ko maalala kung may requirements ba. But anyway, yun lang guys. Sana nasagot ko yung tanong mo, Infinity. At kung medyo naguluhan ka pa, then just comment below and itatry kong sagutin. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!